What's up guys, this is Noah here. Welcome back to another video on all things Noah's YouTube channel. In this video today, we're actually going to be talking about how to build a gaming audience from the start and from the scratch and all the way around up. So tip number one is to find your game. What game do you really enjoy playing? If there is a game that you really enjoy playing, you will definitely find an audience around that game. That is definitely one of the top things you want to do is actually start thinking of what game you want to play. If you're a variety gamer, stream a lot of different games, just like me. Find some very good games that you enjoy as well. If you're a FPS shooter, get into some FPS shooter games, or same thing. But yeah, any category that you select for a game, just pick what game you really enjoy and make content out of it, stream it, all that kind of stuff, is how you actually build a gaming audience. Number two is to join some groups, join some Discord servers, Facebook groups, Twitter groups, Instagram groups as well. Definitely get yourself out there, come with some different things in common of what things you wanted that you're doing in the game, or want to share like advice or knowledge or tutorials or all that kind of stuff. Definitely get involved into some groups as well, of building a gaming audience as well. Tip number three is stream. Stream your gameplay. Build an audience that way as well. Definitely stream your content on whatever platform you prefer to stream on. You can also multi-stream. You can also multi-stream to all the platforms at the same time, which I currently do. But if you just want to pick at least a platform that you want to make your content on, you can definitely do it that way too as well. But if you want to stream to multiple platforms, it's definitely worth it. Definitely for sure. So definitely streaming your gameplay will bring a gaming audience to you, and you can definitely build it that way as well. You can also record your content as well for recording your gameplay and putting it up like on YouTube or for TikTok shorts and YouTube shorts as well. So definitely make content around your gameplay. Definitely helps build a gaming audience as well. That has actually worked for me for over the years. So definitely stream your gameplay. Make content out of it. And number four is to always have fun with games. Definitely find a game that you really enjoy and just have totally some fun with it. Definitely learn how to get better at the game and have knowledge about the game, and to hopefully bring others into the game as well. So definitely make really good gameplay knowledge and understanding that it's supposed to be fun, not to take it seriously or anything like that. So those are my tips of how to build a gaming audience from the ground up. Let me know if this video definitely did help you out. If it did, be sure to drop a like on the video. Comment down below of what's your techniques that you use to build your gaming audience. Or make sure you subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. But thank you guys so much for watching. This is Noah here signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video of All Things Noah YouTube channel.